Welcome back to our channel everybody. Today's video is a short one, but I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a discovery card, alright? And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing. And hit that subscribe button, let's move on with the steps. First thing first, you have to search for a discover card login. Now you can use any search browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever you want, alright? Just search for a discover card login. After you search for a discover card login, what you want to do is, you can see the first option over here, credit card login. You can click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Discover Card. Now once you're in this page, make sure it loads up completely. If your internet is slow, it's going to take a bit of time, but make sure it loads. Once it loads, just enter your user ID over here and then enter the password of your account. And after you do that, what you want to do is just click on login and you should be able to log in into a Discovery credit card account. It's that simple. And if you forgot your user ID or password, just click on these two to recover it. If you want to create an account, you can click on register your account. If you want to activate your card, you can click on this. But yeah, that's simply how you guys can log in into a Discover Card account. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye bye.